So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add a film grain effect in iMovie. So the first thing you want to do is open up your iMovie app. On here open up My Movie and you click on edit. Now the first thing you will see, I've added an effect. So I've added a green or blue screen effect. I will just delete that and I will remove any of the things I've added on here. So the first thing I suggest you do is to go to the plus sign and click on the video and make sure that you have a video of stock old grainy footage, since it's going to be really helpful with doing this. So if you click on video, and once you click on the plus sign, or rather the three dot sign, once you select the video with that, click on green/blue screen, and it's going to be a similar of an overlay. And if you wish to add more of that, it's not going to show up on anything, but it's going to add that vibe. And you can also go to select your video and go to the filters at the bottom right. And from here, you just need to find B and W. This will be black and white filter. And on here, it already looks a bit more old-timey. But make sure that the video you add is not just any random video like I've added, but it's an old-timey or this grainy effect video you can find by downloading it to your gallery. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on iMovie or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.